Mom, I really liked yesterday's story, and I learned some English from that. Can you narrate me a story that related to willpower?
Sure, I will narrate you that story, and I'm glad you're learning English step by step. Once in a village, there were two best friends. While they were playing far away from the village, one of them, 10 years old, fell in a well. He started to cry out loud because he didn't know swimming. The other friend, 6 years old, was a thin boy. The younger one was really scared after seeing him fall. He looked for something around him to help his friend. There was a rope tied to a bucket. He threw it and used his full strength. His hands were getting red, his feet holding the ground really tight. He didn't lose his hold until he gets his friend out. They were really afraid to tell anyone about this incident in the village. They were scared of the punishment if they tell the story. But the amazing thing is that when they told their parents, no one believed them. How a little thin 6 years old boy can help 10 years old. No one in the village believed them. Then, the villagers asked a wise old man of the village, "How can he do that?" He explained, "It's simple, just like the boys told you." He threw the rope and pulled him out. The villagers said, "How can it be possible? How can he do it?" The wise man said, "It is very simple. Because, the time he helped him, there was no one around to tell him that he cannot do it." Hope you understand. Can you tell moral of this story?
Yes, Mom, the moral of this story is all the limits and bounds lie in the mind. All power is within you. If you decided that it is possible and it can happen, there is one to stop you.
Hey Siri, I missed today class. What happened today?
Hello Bhavani, today's class about spoken English that Mom explained a story.
Is it? Why Mom narrated a story?
Actually, if you want to learn English an easy way, that short stories are best to learn English fast.
Okay, I understand. We will meet tomorrow in class. Bye.
Bye.